Here is a question from expansions. Given that x square plus 1 upon 25 x square is equal to 8 3 by 5. Now we need to find out x plus 1 upon 5x as well as x cube plus 1 upon 125 x cube. So before going ahead, we should make sure that all of the terms are in standard form. So x square plus 1 upon, we'll write this as 5x bracket square equals to, now let us change this, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 3 is 43 upon 5. Now if I have to find x plus 1 upon 5x, now you cannot just have a square root of it, we'll have to make it a proper square and then we can find the square root of it. So how to do it? These two, if I take it as the explanation of the first one, the two terms x square plus 1 upon 5x bracket square are the square terms. Now in any of a plus b bracket raised to square term, what do we get? Expansion of this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So we are going to write this 2ab, whatever comes in addition with a square plus b square, this 2ab is missing here, we are going to write it in the next step. Now it will be x square plus 1 upon 5x bracket square plus 2 into x into 1 upon 5x equal to 43 upon 5. Okay, you have added it, but you will have to subtract the same over there. Why? Because just adding anything to the one side of equation will not balance the equation. So what happens here is actually x will be getting cancelled, but we are not supposed to do so here. Why? Because we are going to write it as a bracket raised to square. Then what are we supposed to do here? Plus 2 into bracket x 1 upon 5x. Okay, here this is a complete square of x plus 1 by 5x bracket raised to square, that is equal to 43 upon 5 plus, now here x can be cancelled, 2 by 5 you can write. If you add 2 by 5 to 43 by 5, as the denominators are equal, you will have to add only the numerators, that will be 45 by 5, right? So if you reduce it, or if you cancel this, 5 9s are 45. So over here you see x plus 1 by 5x bracket raised to square is going to be 9, and then x plus 1 upon 5x is going to be what? Square root of 9. Now square root of 9, as we know that square of a positive number and square of a negative number, both are positive. Like what? What is it, ma'am? Now look here, I'm trying to make you understand. You all know that square of 3 is 9. But if I take two positive 3's, the square is 9. And if I take two negative 3's, then also the square is positive 9. So do we have any clue about this? That whether it is a positive 3 is a square or a negative 3 is a square. So we do not know. So we have to have this answer as plus or minus 3. It is very important to mention plus or minus 3 sign here. So once we are done with this, we see here x plus 1 by 5x. This is what was expected in the first part of the sub question, that is x plus 1 by 5x. If x plus 1 by 5x is positive or negative 3, then we are supposed to find x cube plus 1 upon x cube as the next value. Now we'll go ahead and find the value for the same. I'll clear the board and get back. Now as we got already this value, unless and until we cube this on both sides, it will not be possible to get the cubes of this and this. So on cubing both sides. But here, as it is positive value as well as negative value, then which should be taken, you must be wondering. That's why you taking positive value of 3 and solving is first case. Taking negative value of 3 and solving it is the case number 2. There is nothing different in this. So if I take case 1, where this one x plus 1 upon 5x should be taken here as a positive 3. Okay, now if you cube it, x plus 1 upon 5x bracket raised to cube is equal to positive 3's cube. Now is it necessary to write positive 3 cube? Because when there is no sign mentioned here, we call it as positive. We understand it as positive. So there is no need to mention here. Fine. So you know a plus b bracket raised to cube what it is. Now here x plus 1 upon 5x bracket raised to cube, we are supposed to expand it as per a plus b bracket raised to cube. Here comes x cube plus 1 upon 5x its cube plus 3x into 1 upon 5x into bracket x plus 1 upon 5x. It is like what? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. That is equal to 27. 3's cube is 27. Now here what happens? Here what happens is this x will get cancelled. This x cube plus 1 upon cube is 5 cube is 125 x cube plus if x get cancelled 3 by 5 only will remain. Now what to do about this? X plus 1 by 5x we already have a value, and in the case 1 we have taken it as positive 3, so you take it as 3 here and write 27. Now x cube plus 1 upon 125 x cube is equal to 27 minus, now this I want to take it to the right hand side. Now 3 into 3 is 9, 9 by 5. So here it will be 9 by 5. Now subtract this with 9 by 5 means what? 25 into 7 minus 5. What should you be getting it as? Check it. 27, and this will be 1, how it is 120, 27 into 5. Okay, let me show you. 27 into 5, what we get? 135. 135 minus 9 you are supposed to do. If you do minus 9, what you get is 126. Okay, so I'm writing here directly as 126 upon 5. This should be again converted into mixed fraction and written as what? 125, 25, not 125, 25. 25 5 is a 125. So 25 1 by 5. This is the answer. Now you took positive 3 and you reached this answer. This answer is positive answer, isn't it? Okay. Now if I take negative 1, negative 3, what will happen? Now just see, negative 3 will make a change, will make changes wherever necessary. This I will take negative 2, will make this as case 2. Case 2 we have taken x plus 1 upon x 1 upon 5x as negative 3. So this is also negative 3 here. Okay. Now if negative 3's cube is found, that also becomes negative. Why? 3 times negative sign. Negative into negative becomes positive. Positive into negative again is negative. So if you are multiplying any negative number odd number of times, its answer is going to be negative. So this is negative. Now here there should be a change. What change? Let's see. What is the change that could happen? What do you think? Now here the cubes will remain same, that will not change, but here what happens is the negative sign will affect. Okay, x cube plus 1 upon 125 x cube, here I am writing a little directly, plus 3 into bracket x 1 upon 5x, that is 3ab, into bracket x plus 1 by 5x. Now look, this x plus 1 by 5x we have taken this time as negative 3. So here x are going to cancel. So x cube plus 1 upon 125 x cube plus 3 by 5 into negative 3. This is a multiplication. Whenever I have a bracket, it means what? Multiplication. So multiplication of negative 3 and positive 3 will be negative 3. 3 3 is a 9 it is. So x cube plus 1 upon 125 x cube minus 9 by 5 is equal to minus 27. Now if negative 9 by 5 goes to that side, what will happen? Positive 9 by 5. Okay, let's see here. X cube plus 1 upon 125 x cube is equal to minus 27 plus 9 by 5. Now I showed you the multiplication that time also. It is 135. 27 into 5. Now but this time what happens is negative 135 positive 9 upon 5. So negative 135 and positive 9 means what? Again negative 125 will remain. Okay, I'll show it to you here a bit, taking it on the top. Okay, from here I'm taking it to this side. You just see here the right hand side part. So 135 minus this one will be minus 120 minus 126 you will get upon 5. So this is again same thing. If you divide it, what you will get? Negative 25 1 by 5. Now you try to understand. If you take a number positive, you are getting a positive answer. If you are taking that number as negative, x plus 1 by 5x value as negative, it will give you negative answer. Now see, x plus 1 by 5x equal to positive 3 when you took. What is the value of x cube plus 1 upon 125 x cube? That is 25 1 by 5. Now when you take x plus 1 by 5x ka value as negative 3, you will get x cube plus 1 upon 125 x cube is equal to negative 25 by 1 by 5. So this only we can solve it at a time if you understand positive and negative values. Okay, so these two values you can together write a positive or negative 25 1 by 5. This is what case 1 and case 2. Case 1 is taken as positive value, case 2 is taken as negative value. You can take it in any order. First negative then positive also is correct. But this is why two separate cases are being solved, or else if you are understanding how to solve it together with positive and negative sign, that is also correct.